What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're kicking off July 1st with a green trade. Check out this live read. All right, guys, so today's trade is really simple. It's really simple trade. Not much to it here. Got real good, nice profit on my first take profit, and then I stopped out the rest with profit just because I didn't like the action that we had. I traded stock PRPO. We had this real nice push here at open, and we had this nice steady pullback and this U shape right here up to make a new high of the day on an increase in volume. However, it quickly retraced that new high, and I stopped out on my last half as we retraced, which is sad because this could have been a real nice winner had it held up. Instead, it's just a very simple base hit up right around 70 bucks on the day. Could have been easily almost double that, probably a little bit more depending how the stock wanted to behave. But I do have this trade recorded here for you, and I'm going to bring that up. Let me get that here for you. There we go. So I'm in on this pullback right here. As soon as we start holding right around this area, a real nice low volume on the pull in, which is a nasty little flush, I decided to get long right in there just because we had the 90 MA creeping up. We had some support on the daily. See if I can find that. Oh, hold on. All right, so we had this little bounce area here. It was support here on this day. Oh, you can't see that. It was support here on this day, then bounced off of it here on this day. Kind of like a resistance point here today. So I figured, if it was showing up on the daily, which it was, as like an area of support, which it still is, so it's still valid, I could re-enter this trade here if I wanted to, but summertime, I'm not trusting very much a lot of these stocks, so probably won't. This area was support, so I was using it as my stop right there, which was just above the 90 MA. I was hoping the 90 MA would have time to creep up there, but the trade did take about 7 minutes, as you can see here. So we're going to start fast forwarding a little bit, and I'll walk you through my thought process. Here we're making higher lows. Volume is decreasing on this consolidation period. So now I'm looking to take some profit off right in front of this 425 pivot. So I had a limit order to sell half at 420. My thought process was pretty sound. That's a little bit over $50 right there. The chart is going to show me that it is a possible resistance area. So I'll take some off there and hold on the rest for a bigger move, and it would have been a real nice win. So basically what I did here was my first take profit was like a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio based off of my entry and my stop. And then my second take profit would have been an easy 2-to-1 risk reward ratio on that second take profit had I been able to get it over here in front of this 450 area. Had it punched through that before I could even put my order out, then hell, it would have given me a nice 3-to-1 on my second take profit. As you can see, the volume is really light and it's really trading kind of slowish. But we're holding this area now, which is also the 200-day moving average on the daily. So as long as we're holding that, I'm pretty confident there. Here I had some technical difficulties. I thought I canceled my stop order, and I didn't, so I wasn't able to get out those half shares there. I didn't understand why. Then I noticed my order was still out live. I guess I might have not clicked cancel. I don't know. It was acting up for me. That's when I noticed it. So started to move on. I put my limit order now to sell 250 shares. And those should be getting filled here pretty soon. Those are gone there. Boom, they're done. Now I'm looking to, see more increasing volume and take profit up here near 450 on these last 250 shares. Would have given me over $100 win on just those 250 alone. So it would have been a nice 150, maybe even more, $160, $70 day. volume was increasing, so I was holding confident. You know, VWAP is there holding up. But then we get this nasty retrace. Look at that. Nasty complete retrace. I didn't like that at all. So I kept my eyes here on the bid. I was watching for 410 to hold support. If 410 didn't hold support, I was going to look to get out of this just because that's too much. Look at that. See? That's when I closed it out. Look at that. That's too much of a pullback after making a new high. That's a bearish signal all day long. So it is what it is. Nice little green day. Nothing to be mad about. In 397. Sold half at 421. And then sold the rest at 406. That was it. That was my trade. I wish we would have been able to have gotten out of these like at 445, 450. That would have been an awesome win on the day. But that's it. That's all I did. I'm going to keep watching. Probably won't take another trade today. Wait until tomorrow, see what's going on. Unless we have something strong pop up and give us a safe entry that we can get long in front of there. And, good risk reward. As long as that's there, we can take a trade. How did you do today? How is your July kicking off? Let me know. Drop it in the comment section below. I hope you're having a great start to July. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one.